Pentagon
they used internet for the first time, I guess.
Yes,
they
made internet. The ARPANET was made.
That's what I'm saying. They used
made
the
it.
internet. They used it. Okay,
Yeah.
they made it.
They made
They made it.
what I was talking ki these guys are working on digital life, right?
Digital twin or something.
No,
Digital life,
Like
total full
digital.
form life.
matlab
It's a higher form of AGI, I would say.
it's a AGI which can feel.
Okay, emotions.
Emotions, yeah.
The computer can itself, understand tasks like what need to be done at the environment. Like मतलब सोच लो अगर एक बच्चा है, ठीक है, একটা মানুষের বাচ্চা হোমো স্যাপিয়েন্স ইজ देयर
Yeah.
এন্ড ও একটা খাবার দেখতে পাচ্ছে,
দেখতে পাচ্ছি।
ওর ওর ইনটুইশনটাই এটা যে ও খাবে, রাইট?
Yes.
কিন্তু এআই কে এত দিন যদি তুই না বলতিস যে খা গিয়ে, এআই খাবে না।
কেন খাবে? ও তো রিকগনাইজ করবে না ওটা।
ওটাই
করবে না, তো-
এজিআই এর পয়েন্টটাই হচ্ছে এটা যে ইট উইল অ্যাক্ট লাইক দ্যাট।
But it's more advanced form of AGI, I would say.
हाँ,
It's a
advanced,
way
yes,
more
exactly.
advanced form of AGI.
But like we know AGI, right? We know a basic concept of AGI.
Basic concept of AGI, yeah.
তার মানে ভাব পেন্টাগনে এখন কি কনসেপ্ট চলছে।
Exactly.
Going to the future of dystopia?
You can say that.
Are we?
Yes.
We can say that. Just brain is there, everything can be replaced. You can be a better version of yourself. And
It can also happen if I'm not wrong. Okay, it's only speculation. Okay, from like Neuralink, I think if brain is not replaced, if brain is improved, okay,
Brain is improved, and that can be done with not artificial intelligence. That can be done with augmented intelligence.
tell me.
One of the first augmented intelligence device was your calculator.
Okay.
What it helped you? It helped you did the calculations. It just helped you to do some more calculations. But at the end of the day, you had to do the stuff, right? It was not
you had to do the stuff, but
It was help you. It's a helping.
It's a tool, right?
So what we are talking about is AGI. If you are talking about AGI stands for Artificial General Intelligence. What we have right now is narrow AI. मतलब it is concentrated on specific task, right? You think like when you are talking to GPT, right? तो GPT का जो काम करने का तरीका that is based on mathematics.
Yeah.
And number one is mathematics is there, mathematics and statistics. It's totally depending on probability and those मतलब technical stuff,
Yeah.
right? And the data मतलब जो text तुम दे रहे हो वो text GPT में कैसे encode हो रहा है, that is called amplitude based encoding. मतलब कि GPT is based on neural networks, right? Deep neural networks are बहुत सारे और भी बहुत सारे complicated architectures are there. But the thing is, the single neuron gets a word, and that word is like fires the neuron and gets the value from -255 to +255, right? And that amplitude is getting to the output and some computation is happening. उसके साथ एक मल्टीप्लायर लगा हुआ है जो ट्रेनिंग के दौरान हम ट्यून करते हैं, राइट? सो दैट्स द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स. अभी एजीआई में क्या होगा? एजीआई में ये जो एम्पलीट्यूड बेस्ड एनकोडिंग है ये काम नहीं कर सकता. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी आर फोर्थ डिमेंशनल ऑब्जेक्ट.
Yes.
And
We are going for this, I would say.
we are fourth dimensional.
We
You
are three-dimensional beings existing in a four-dimensional reality.
Exactly.
Okay.
So if we cannot incorporate
What is the fourth dimensional
Fourth dimension, time.
Time. Given time, right?
Exactly.
Time.
You are changing everything in respect to time, right?
Time, okay.
So that's why.
But aren't we only considering the
3D when you are talking about static things.
things?
You talk about animations.
Yeah.
The sliding bar.
Yeah. Got
That's
it.
the fourth dimension.
Got it.
That is the fourth dimension. So in the neural network we get amplitude modulated coding. तो वो जो वैल्यूज है उसको हम मैथमेटिक्स में डालते हैं, लेकिन व्हाट हैपेंस इन लाइक रियल टाइम, अगर हमको कंप्यूटर्स को फीलिंग देना है तो कंप्यूटर्स को भी फोर्थ डिमेंशनल बनाना पड़ेगा, कंप्यूटर्स का डेटा भी फोर्थ डिमेंशनल बनाना पड़ेगा.
What do you mean by that?
या
Yeah.
आई एम कमिंग टू दैट. कंप्यूटर्स का एक नया एरा आने वाला है.
Quantum computers?
क्वांटम इज द टेक्नोलॉजी,
Yeah.
बट देयर इज अ आर्किटेक्चर.
Okay.
ये जो आर्किटेक्चर है दिस इज कॉल्ड आर्म आर्किटेक्चर, राइट? आर्म का क्या full form?
Advanced risk machine.
या ओके, रिस्क मतलब वो रिड्यूस इंस्ट्रक्शन
Yeah, reduce instruction
हाँ
set.
समझ लेते
Yeah,
हैं.
so-
तो वो आर्किटेक्चर इज वेरी गुड फॉर फास्ट कंप्यूटेशन,
but not
But-
for accurate stuff.